Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will show you a very useful tool during crafting. Yes, here it is. It is called non-slip pad. The material is silicone. It is very useful when we are doing crafting. First, we remove protect film and stick the pad on the tabletop. Just put paper cut on the pad. It can be sticked. Then it can make the painting much easier. We don't need anything else to hold the paper. Now we are painting a card background. Because we don't need figures or tapes to hold the paper, so we can paint the full paper. We can see the paper card sticked on the pad very well. Okay, now the paint finished and we take off the paper. Then let me try the pad work with the stencils. We can see it's very sticky. Say we don't need anything else or our figures to hold the paper and the stencils. It is very easy. I will paint a railing colors flower background. It is loose flower. These auto ink pads are also from Alinacutle stores. There are total 24 colors for optional. These rose stencil set are our popular items. Many people love this set. This set including 3-piece stencils, a die cut, and stamps. This rose set was designed by our design from Italy, and we already sold thousands of this set. It's really very popular. And we can see it's already turned out very pretty even for background. Okay, now the background is complete. It's so beautiful. We clean this pad by some water. Here's the stamps and the die cut I said just now. The flower and the leaves was already stamped and cut out. We try the pad work with small paper chips. It seems perfect. The leaves and the flower is well sticked. Okay, now the flower is ready. We clean the pad and cover the film for future use. Now we start to combine this card. Everything's ready. The combined a beautiful card will be very easy. We try and to see how can be beautiful. How's this card? It's beautiful, right? Now let's add sentiments. Happy Valentine's Day. I personally think this card turns out very beautiful. What do you think? Okay, it's today's tutorial. Thanks for joining. Bye.